Imagine this. It's a regular Tuesday morning. You swipe your card at the ATM. Nothing. Screen goes black. Try again. Denied. Across the city, every machine freezes. Bank apps crash. Your life savings vanish from view. No access. Panic spreads like wildfire. Bills unpaid. Grocery lines turning into riots. Stock markets halt. Governments scramble. In hours, the global economy grinds to a stop. Why? Not hackers. Not war. A silent failure in code that's been running since before you were born. What invisible force holds our money hostage? Stick around, you won't believe it's real. Meet the sleeping titan, COBOL, born in 1959, created by a visionary named Grace Hopper. Not some dusty relic. It's the unbreakable backbone of our world. This language doesn't just run programs, it guards trillions. Picture a colossus buried deep in data centers, humming quietly while skyscrapers rise above it. Here's the jaw dropper. COBOL processes 80% of all global business transactions, trillions of dollars daily. It powers 95% of ATM operations worldwide. There are 220 billion lines of this active code still churning in the wild. The US Social Security system? 60 million lines of COBOL keeping checks flowing to millions. The IRS? 50 million lines tracking every taxpayer dollar. This isn't trivia. It's the artery of modern finance. But every titan has a fatal flaw. The wizards who forged COBOL? They're retiring, dying. The last of the baby boomer coders who learned it on punch cards. Younger devs. They chase flashy languages like Python or JavaScript. Who wants to wrangle 60-year-old syntax when you could build AI apps? States like New Jersey begged for COBOL programmers during COVID, offering 6 figures. Crickets. Banks hoard the few experts like nuclear codes. One by one, they vanish. What happens when the last line of knowledge walks out the door? A Y2K-style meltdown, but without warning. Our modern world, built on sand. Governments know. They've run drills. Banks stockpile COBOL cowboys. Aging heroes paid fortunes to maintain the beast. But time's ticking. A single bug, a power glitch, a retiree's final shift, and poof. No more payroll, no loans, no trades. The old sustains the modern, yet we're blind to it. We've chased shiny new tech, forgetting the foundations. COBOL isn't just code, it's a warning. So here's the gut punch. Our hyper-connected, AI-driven future rests on 1959 tech almost no one understands. Fragile? Absolutely. But it works, flawlessly, for now. The lesson: progress isn't linear. Honor the ancients or watch it all crumble. What tech relic do you think is next? Drop it in the comments. Hit like if this blew your mind. Subscribe for more automation mysteries. The Titan sleeps. But for how long?